One program is our center pivot technician program. Tremendous number of opportunities as dealers are looking for people to help troubleshoot center pivots, primarily with electrical work. So we teach a lot of electrical troubleshooting, basic wiring, fundamentals and theory of electricity, as well as center pivot knowledge, background. The program was initially initiated through the Reinke company out of Deschler, Nebraska. They had the vision about 15 years ago to train technicians. Although they've been a tremendous business partner, education partner, we're not just a Reinke pipeline. We study all brands of pivots, including schematics, and do a lot of work emphasizing safety, grounding, and use of a multimeter. It's a one-year program that people can go through, and we get a number of students that have financial assistance from dealers from Nebraska, Kansas, Texas, Colorado, other states. You get a lot of potential employers looking for welders, looking for center pivot technicians, certainly high school ag instructors. Those are all career areas that we work with in our department. Tremendous number of job opportunities available. Great program.